Yes, welcome. Now we will be studying the division of polynomials. This is the last topic of the chapter 2, the revision. Quadratic polynomial I have explained. Cubic polynomial, just I will give you the information what is cubic polynomial, but it is not in the syllabus. So we are not doing the cubic polynomial questions. But here the last point, division of polynomial. Now division of polynomial, division of a polynomials. When we talk about division of polynomials, that what comes in the mind, that is dividend, that is divisor, then how many times it goes quotient, minus when we say here divide, divisor into quotient, minus when we subtract you get the remainder. But when we talk about the numbers, in the numbers we can write in the decimal form or in different. But in case of polynomial, there is a different some conditions. Now, in the polynomial, when we talk about the polynomial, EX we take as dividend. Now, GX is the divisor, QX we take as quotient, and RX remainder. Now, when you are dividing, that is, if I say I write PX here and GX here, divisor I write, and the quotient comes QX. Again here, GX into QX, and the remainder you will get RX. Now, degree. Now, when you are dividing, the degree of PX greater than equal to degree of GX. It may be equal or it may be greater. Now, when you are dividing, the remainder, further it is dividing or not, then you will say Rx can be 0, Rx equal to 0, the remainder, if Rx is 0, then Px is completely divisible by, and Px is completely divisible by Gx. Remainder, the degree of Rx less than degree of Gx, then division is not further possible. You have to remember that when you are dividing, suppose your degree of this is x square, the degree is 2 and degree is 1. You cannot divide. So first of all, whenever you are dividing, you see that polynomial is in the standard form or not. If not, then what you have to do? You arrange in descending order the terms with power descending order. So, and after that you have to divide. This type of question was there in the exam, and the students, they were saying that it is wrong. Therefore, they don't remember. First thing is that write px in the standard form. Write px in standard form. That is according to degree. That is in descending order. Px and Gx in the Px in standard form, Gx in standard form. The same thing you have to remember here. According to degree in descending order, then only the division is possible. So sometimes it is given as that is, you can take an example, px divide x square minus x cube minus x plus 1 by x minus x square plus 1. So suppose this type of question is there. So what you have to do? When you are writing left px, write in the standard form minus x cube plus x square minus x plus 1. Left gx again minus x square. Now minus x square plus x plus 1. Now you can divide. That is here minus x cube plus x square minus x plus 1 x minus x square plus x plus 1. That is x minus x cube plus x square plus x. Now you subtract, when you are subtracting, sign changes. So you will say this cancel, minus x minus 2x and plus x plus 1. This cannot be further divided because here degree of the gx is 2 and degree of remainder is what? 1. It cannot be further divided. So you will say this is the remainder, this is the divisor, this is the quotient, and this is the dividend. And you know dividend equal to what? Divisor into quotient plus remainder. That condition you must know it. After that, so this is very important, and this completes the topic. And after the Christmas holidays, the work, again the revision will start. The work given to you, all of you have to see the 21st class lecture. See the lecture given on the topic, that is projects and all the things I have given. You can go to that and see. Okay. Wish you Merry Christmas and happy and prosperous New Year. Pray to God so that the pandemic time that can heal up. So you can enjoy now. Okay. Thank you.